Today we're going to show you step by step how to install your floating shelf. It's super easy to install and a great way to organize any space with a modern, clean look. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is determine where you want the shelf to be. Measure the height from the ground or from the top of your counter and mark it in the general area you will be installing. Then, using a stud finder or whichever method you like to locate studs, and mark them accordingly. Once marked, place the mount bracket up to the wall and position the bracket left or right to the final spot. Then, using a drill, screw the mount bracket to the wall on each stud. If you purchased a 12-inch shelf, make sure to hit at least one stud, then use a drywall anchor for the other side of the bracket. Then secure the mount brace to the front of the mount bracket using the 2 brace screws. Once the mount bracket is installed, slide the shelf onto the bracket . It's that simple. Your shelf is now installed and ready for storage. Thanks for watching.